a beautiful place, right? If you're one of those people who love to camp in your cars, travel a lot, and love caravan culture, or if you're one of those people who are a simple family of 3 or 4 who loves to cook their own food for your kids on the go, you're in the right place. Today, we Sparrows Campus has bought you a very special product, a full-fledged modular camper setup for any vehicle. So today I'm going to show you a special product which is in this hatch, which is a daily driver. As you can see, this is a full-fledged 5-seater with the parcel tray on. But the magic lies here. Let me show you this. Here lies the magic beneath this boot. It is our special product bought from Sparrows Campus. It's a hatch camper. This model is called a hatch camper. It's a fully modular camper setup for any hatchback. We do have 3 models. First one is hatch camper, second one is mid-size camper, which fits for all mid-size SUVs, and a full-size camper for all the SUVs and above. But today here we are going to review for you guys. Let me demonstrate you what's so special about this. Unlike any other models in the market, which are all the builds are fixed to body models, this one is special because it's a box on frame model. As you can see, there is a frame here, metal frame, which is fixed horizontally, laterally and vertically to the body of the boot. So this camper, this whole cabinet lies on this frame. The whole speciality of this build this way is, unlike other models which are unnecessary in your daily drivers, which takes up your boot space and eats on your mileage in your daily driving scenarios where you don't need your camper in your boot, this one you can remove all of this setup, put it out in your garage in just 2 minutes, which makes it fully modular. And the other special features is this frame has legs which can be retracted and collapsed this way, makes this whole cabinet go down, makes it flat boot where you can still travel with your full-size suitcases. That is second speciality of this, and none of these features are offered in other models in the market. Now I'm going to show you how and this kitchen looks like. Here is a kitchen. Let's say you are a person or you are a simple family of 3 or 4, you travel a lot, you need to cook food for your kids on the go. This will come in very handy. Or if you are enthusiastic campers who do love caravanning and come up to these blissful places like this helps you have a luxury of your sleep and cook your own food. This is a tabletop. This is the kitchen where you can house a full-fledged stove with a heat sink, which is removable. This is to give you safety while you are cooking, which it will radiate all the heat out of the vehicle. And all of these models are designed in such a way that always your stove is away from your fuel cap. If your fuel cap is right side, you'll get the stove in the left side. If your fuel cap is in the left, you'll get the stove in the right side. And this setup is endlessly customizable, guys. You can have this flip model like this, you can have it slide model, you can have it bigger size, double drawers, anything. This is completely endlessly customizable. Here is a cutting space, here is a drawer space for you guys, here is your cutlery, and this is your pump which fits in like this here, which has a hose. It's electrically adjustable tap which works with any bubble. If you have any 5 liter 6 liter can, this gives you full water pump for your sink and washing your vegetables or the utensils. This goes in this like this. Everybody knows this one. Many of you ask, how do you wind up this and how long will it take the whole kitchen to get wind up and drive away? Here is what I'm going to show you. To wind it up, it just takes a few seconds. Here is your tap. You can remove this. Put it in this like this. You can recline this like this. And you can drive away in just few seconds. Let me demonstrate how to put on the full bed. As this hatch camper here, which fits in every camper, every hatchback, accommodate 4x5 of bed, which is full fit for 2 adults. If you have a kid also, you can manage in that. Let me show you how is that done. Now guys, we'll demonstrate how to open up your full size bed in this. while you need to camp, where 2 people need to sleep inside. So first it happens in 4 steps. First step is, as you can see, this pallets. We have engineered these pallets to carry like this. Even a kid can carry this. This whole pallet weighs only 4 kgs. This comes up like this, as you can see. And we have 2 of these, which are here. So step 1, retract your seats like that. Step 2, reach up to this customized bag which we have given to accommodate your bed frames, which is a 10-piece bed frame. This is a customized bag where you can lift it up and go put it out anywhere. And this hoses for 10 pieces of metal frame, which is going to be your bed frame. This is first frame. So you need to move up all of your chairs like this to create as much space as possible in your car. You do have 4 lengthy poles. The longest one goes here like this. If you can show this, this is specially engineered bracket. We're going to show you how it works. So guys, once you fit in your frame like this is a big length rod. These both are big length rods, and this is a short length rod. This is a center rod which fixes to steady stance legs like this, which has adjustable fitting to it. What's different from other models is this one. Other models doesn't have this knob. This one has. What it does is it grabs onto the whole frame as one piece now. Since these are very tight, it is very hard to rattle. Even you can sleep in a single bed mode while you're driving. This knobs enables that. Now I'm going to show you how to put on the bed. Once the frame is fixed that way, we just need to slide your pallets this way. It's that simple. This 4 kg pallets like that, and flex bed, which is 5.5 into 4 feet long. This can accommodate 2 adults. Very steady bed. You can open this like this. When you open your kitchen, as you can see, this is accommodating 2 adults as is. They are approximately like this is taking the weight of 200 kgs at a time. This is designed to take 200 kgs at a time, and as you can see, the best special feature of this is, compared to other models, is you have the largest headroom here. Other models are sat up till here where you cannot sit properly, where in this you can see 2 adults can easily sit and have a meal if they have cooked and it's raining outside. 2 people can sit inside, either on the seats. I'll show you the way how to do it, or even if the bed is fully opened up, 2 people can sit and have their meal with highest headroom. Another feature, guys, these boxes are made in such a way it can be tailored to any other vehicle. For example, this for the Ignis, this is a differentiator. If you are taking this same product for Swift, only this piece gets differentiated. This is maintained and designed here to make a lateral perfect fit to edge body of the vehicle, so that there is no lateral rattle here. So that, as you guys can see, once this double bed funda is done, we're going to show you how you can convert this to a single bed, lounger, or a desktop mode, which enables this whole camper to be open up for a single person bed while 2 persons are driving in this vehicle. 1 person can sleep, like for example, if you're a family of 3, parents can sit and the kid can sleep here. I'm going to show you this way. To do that, first let us retract this back again. So guys, once this frame is set this way, with this both legs set up like this, with the short bed frame here in this, this enables us to put in a single bed, a lounger mode, and also a desktop mode. With this here like this, 3 people can travel in your car as is, with 1 person having luxury to sleep, have a lounge. If you have a beach views or a beautiful view like this here, you can set this up while 3 people are still traveling in it. You might wonder, with this setup in this boat, how do you access your spare wheel in case of any emergency, which is your Stepney wheel. I'm going to show you now. It takes only 2 steps and takes only a few seconds of it. First step, you need to recline your rear seats like this, slide away your bed pallets like this. These flaps are made specific to each vehicle. So this is Ignis's flap, which makes it differentiated from other models. Just remove this flap like this. Once the box is like this, all you need to do is just lift up the whole cabinet as is like this, where you have access to your full boot and your spare wheel in case of any emergency. So thank you very much for staying this long with us, guys. So this is a wind up for our special camping product. Once again, guys, if you are one of those people who love traveling, who love camping in their cars, who like to have a utility of cooking on the wheels for their kids, so this is your go-to. This is very economical and budget friendly option for all of us. This is special because all the other models out there are very expensive. Either you need to take a bigger vehicle to create a whole caravan, or many people often leave the idea of doing it in their own daily drivers. So this enables you to camp in your daily driver tour, be it a small S Alto to full-size SUV. So if you do like this product, if you need any inquiry about your own product, we can build however the way you want. You can dream it, we will make it for you guys, customized for any vehicle you want. You can reach out to the number mentioned in the description below. If you do like the content like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.